Hey everyone, my name is Katie Guy. I'm one of the sleep case managers here at Ohio Sleep Treatment, and today we're going to be going over how to make adjustments to your Avant device. This is the SomnoMed Avant. It works a little bit differently than some of our other devices that we use at our practice. In this case, we're going to be changing out straps to make our adjustments instead of using a key or changing trays out. So let's take a quick look and see how this works. Alright, so this is the SomnoMed Avant. This is what you'll get when you get your device. Notice we have the case here, and then your device is inside. Just that. And then real quick, these are the straps that you'll get with your device. Notice it has an L here that just stands for large. Depending on your scan, how big your mouth is, we would get either large, medium, or small. So that'll be noted there with L, M, or S. And then on the inside here you have all the different sizes, so these numbers are going to notate what position your jaw is at. So currently we have the 0 on the device, that's why that's empty, and then we're going to move to the 1 strap. Just a few things to note on the device. We have your upper tray. This is the upper one, that's where the strap clips in at the front of the upper tray. And then on the lower tray, we have the hinge for the straps. So one side on this side, and then one on this side. You can see here the letters and numbers. That L again stands for large, and 0 is for neutral, or where we're going to start you at. And so today we're going to switch out this strap for the L1 strap. So first thing you're going to do is take the strap off of the upper tray. So to do that, you're going to kind of twist it around the strap here. This corner is always kind of the tough part. And you see where the strap has a different color there. It's a little bit lighter, almost a white color. This is where you'll pull the upper tray off. It's a little bit easier in that section to do that. It's that. And then your hinge here, the strap will come off best when it's perpendicular to the tray. So we'll make it perpendicular and then we'll pop it off. Comes off pretty easy on both sides. Okay. And then now we're going to do the 1 strap. You see here it says L1 on both sides. So we'll go perpendicular to the tray. That side. And that side. Yeah, so notice you can move this strap up and down. That's what's going to allow you to open and close your mouth a little bit. So then we're going to put your upper tray back on. So you'll put it back on the same spot that we took it off. So where that lighter part of the strap is, just kind of pinch it back on. And then you'll move it back around to the center. And close it there. So you can see you have the hinges are on there on the strap securely, and then you have it clipped on the front, and you can open and close a little bit, drink some water, whatever it is you need to do, but that's gonna make sure to keep your jaw in the right position for your night of sleep. And that's how you adjust the Avant device. Just a few more things before we say goodbye for the day. Just make sure you're noting those titrations on your log, and that you're only doing these 1 strap at a time. We don't want to skip straps and advance you too fast. So just follow the instructions that you got from our office and we should be good there. If you do have any other questions, you can post them in the comment section below. We also have our contact information listed at the bottom of the screen. You can always reach us there. And lastly, you can always find a lot of really great information on our website. Just go ahead and Google Ohio Sleep Treatment. We have a lot of good videos and articles posted there as well. That's all we have for today. Look forward to seeing you next time in the office, and have a great day.